Hi everyone. Today I came with a snack and tea. This is something special is there. Take a mixer jar and add 3 tablespoons of fried gram dal and 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon ajwain and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, grind fine powder and take it into a bowl and add again 3 tablespoons of gram flour and 3 Kashmir red chilli and 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 and a half to 2 inch of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of hing and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 cup of water, then grind fine paste. Grind like this and keep aside. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of besan. Add ground paste. If it is too thick, add a little water and add it to basin. Mix well these ingredients. Add required water. Don't put more water. Add gradually little water and mix well until thick batter already batter consistency like this. If we make a line like this, it should be not moved and keep aside. Take I took less spicy green chilli. You can take bhajji chilli also and cut one side only, then remove seeds. Remove entire seeds carefully. I already washed these green chilli. This powder we are going to stuff now. That powder will support to digest our chilli and basin because everyone can eat this bhaji and transfer to fried gram flour into plate. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix well. If not enough, you can add one more teaspoon or a tablespoon oil. Now stuff this powder into our green chilli. Stuff fully. How much it will take, that much we should fill. It will give very tasty to this recipe. If any powder is left over, you can add this powder into your roti powder or any curry you can add. And dip the chilies into batter, then fry them. Really, it is amazing taste. You can try it once, then comment me how you feel it. On medium flame, you can fry them. After few seconds, turn it. Once it turned to golden color, you can take it. We can do the tasty bhajji at home. We can't, you can't expect this outside. They only add gram flour and salt, but we can add all masalas. One I will cut, then go to next recipe. See, inside stuff full is there, outside batter, very thin batter. Heat cinnamon stick. I took 3.5 to 4 inch stick here. Put a vessel, add 2 cups of thick milk, and 3-inch ginger I crushed and add it. Now cut the cinnamon, then add it to milk. Add 3 teaspoons of tea powder, any brand you can use. And boil 8 to 10 minutes on low flame only. Then it will color change. Otherwise, it will be white in color. Once boiled well, then strain into teacups. Add 1 tablespoon or required salt, salt and sugar, and serve it. Taste it. It is really amazing chai. If you like chai, you can do in this way. You can serve with onion, grated carrot, or any chaat masala can also. No need chaat masala, already we added masalas. I tasted really, it is very tasty. I took plain carrot and onion. I do not add any salt or chaat masala. This is fine. Now I will taste the chai. Hot chai is very tasty. We can observe the ginger taste and cinnamon taste. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and comment me. Thank you for watching.